Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your Smartsheet projects, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your Smartsheet account and navigate to the project you want to reset. Locate the project sheet in your workspace. Once you've opened the sheet, review the current content and settings. Identify which sections of the project need to be reset. If you want to clear all data, select the rows that contain your project tasks. To delete these rows, right-click and choose the Delete Row option from the menu. If you're resetting specific fields, click on the cell you want to change. You can either type in new information or clear the existing content. If you prefer to revert the entire sheet to a previous version, click on the History tab. From there, select the version you want to restore. Click on Restore to apply the changes. Make sure to review the project settings, including dependencies and timelines. Adjust any dates, resource allocations, or formatting as necessary. Once you've made all your changes, save the project. Finally, verify that the project reflects the adjustments you've made. Your Smartsheet project is now reset and ready for new updates. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.